Hi and welcome back to Loopy Mabel Vintage Style Crochet. My name is Jane and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the magic circle or magic ring. It's a short tutorial, so if you'd like to join me, get yourself some yarn and a hook and you can crochet along with me. See you in 2 minutes. So for this tutorial I'm going to be using Stylecraft Special Double Knit yarn and a 4.5mm hook, purely for ease for you to see on the screen. So to make our magic circle we take our yarn. I like to use these two fingers here and we're going to wrap the yarn around our fingers like so and across and over again. Anchor the yarn underneath like so. Insert your hook into the first yarn, catch the second yarn and bring it through, twist your hook, then catch that yarn and slip through. And there is your magic circle. So shall we try that again? So grab your yarn, wrap it over your fingers, cross it over, round to the back and secure it. Get your hook under the first yarn, catch the second yarn, bring it through, twist your hook, catch that yarn, pull it through, slip stitch to secure. And there we have the magic circle. So if you're following a pattern and it asks you to do your magic circle followed by, say for example, 10 trebles or double crochets in US terminology into the circle, you would do something like this. So you do your chain 3 first of all for your first treble, and you would then go into that magic circle. You can pull the yarn slightly just to make it a little bit smaller. I like to hold on to mine to keep my tension, and then you would then put your trebles into the magic circle. So I shall just do a number of trebles just to show you what I mean. Obviously you would follow whatever the pattern says, but I'm just going to do, say, around about 10 trebles just to show you what it looks like when you've completed that round. So it doesn't really matter how many I do, I just wanted to show you. I'm going quite fast here because I just wanted to show you what it looks like at the end. If you're struggling with the treble or the double crochet, please see my other tutorials on them. But we've come to the end of whatever the pattern says, for example, and it would then say slip stitch to the top of your chain 3 that you started that row with. So we'll find our chain 3 at the beginning there and count up 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, insert our hook into that top of the chain 3, yarn over and slip stitch through to complete that round. And you just need to tighten up the magic circle like so by pulling the loose tail there, and that's what your magic circle looks like when you've completed your first round. Simple as that. It really is simple. So we'll do it one more time before we go, just to make sure that you've got it clear in your mind how to do it. Don't forget you can always pause the video and rewind. So over our fingers, round, back down, secure. Take your hook, insert your hook, catch that second yarn, pull it through, twist your hook, catch the yarn, pull it through to secure, and you've done your magic circle. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make the magic circle or magic ring. It's fairly easy once you've got the hang of it, and it's an alternative to doing the chains into a ring. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my videos, and obviously subscribe if you haven't already done so. Please let me know in the comments box below if there's anything crochet wise that you're looking for and you'd like me to do a tutorial for. I will be happy to oblige. But in the meantime, don't forget to practice. Take care and happy crochet!